Hello everyone! Today we will explore the entire chicken farming process in the United States. From modern egg incubation to egg harvesting and finally chicken meat production. According to 2024 data, the US produces approximately 108 billion tons of chicken meat and 112 billion eggs, demonstrating the massive scale and advanced technology of this industry. Don't look away because the most special part is right at the end. Modern egg incubation process. In large-scale farms, egg incubation is managed with advanced technology. At an incubator facility in Pennsylvania, thousands of eggs are placed in a high-tech incubation system capable of holding up to 71,000 eggs per batch, which lasts about 19 days. After 10 days of incubation, the eggs are scanned automatically to detect and remove any that do not meet quality standards. This system not only ensures stable temperature and humidity, but also automatically rotates the eggs for even cell development. Afterward, the eggs are injected with organic vaccines, a safe alternative to antibiotics, to boost the immunity of the soon-to-hatch chicks. Egg harvesting beyond incubation. Chicken farms invest heavily in egg harvesting. As soon as hens start laying, fresh eggs are transported via an automated conveyor system directly from the coop. This system ensures quick and safe egg collection while minimizing the risk of damage. After harvesting, the eggs go through specialized washing machines to remove surface contaminants and undergo disinfection to ensure food safety. Next, they are sorted and graded by size and quality. High-quality eggs are carefully packaged and distributed to retail centers, restaurants, and supermarkets. Statistics show that the average American consumes about 286 eggs per year, a number expected to rise to 291 next year, indicating consistently high demand for eggs. Raising chicks. After hatching, approximately 10 billion chicks are born in the US each year. Their journey begins as soon as they leave the incubator. However, not all chicks continue to be raised. Weaker ones or those that do not develop properly are removed through strict production processes. Healthy chicks are transferred to professional farms with spacious environments, where they have the opportunity to move freely and grow naturally. Their primary diet consists of soybeans, corn, industrial feed, and natural fiber. Annually, poultry farms consume around 48 million tons of soybeans, accounting for 40% of the country's total soybean production. After 2 months of nurturing, each chicken reaches an average weight of about 4 pounds and is ready for the meat harvesting phase. Chicken meat harvesting process. For chickens raised for meat, the harvesting process begins when they reach approximately 6 pounds. Chickens are placed in automatic plastic trays and transported to processing plants. Here they are hung upside down and dipped in hot water to clean the feathers, then go through automated processing stages such as leg and neck removal and evisceration. Parts like wings, thighs, and breasts are separated, carefully packaged, and finally shipped to supermarkets. The life cycle of a chicken in this industrial system typically lasts between 3 to 4 months, ensuring high economic efficiency, but also raising ethical concerns regarding large-scale farming. Finally, the chicken farming process in the US is a testament to the combination of modern technology and large-scale production. From high-tech egg incubation, safe and efficient egg harvesting, to chick rearing and meat processing, each step is designed to optimize productivity and ensure food safety. This system continues to meet the food demands of millions of people each year. What do you think about this modern egg harvesting and chicken farming process? Share your thoughts in the comments.